Hello, James. How are you? Fine. What about you, Hans? Fine too. What are you doing? I am thinking about the importance of learning English as I read an article on it last night. Nice. Actually, English is essential in our every walk of life. Of course. It's an international language. In this age of globalization, it plays an important role for communication. But it's unfortunate that we're far away. Oh, it is really disgraceful. This situation must be changed if we want to keep pace with the modern world. Right. Our international relations and trade would be affected much if we do not learn English well. Without efficiency in English, none can expect to receive higher studies as all the books on higher studies are written in English. Yes, it's only English that can help us to enter the storehouse of knowledge. Almost all the books of higher studies are written in English. Besides, most of the journals, science fictions, different useful articles on different topics are written in English. Absolutely. That's the reality. A good command over English is the precondition for getting better job and better salary. In a word, English can ensure bright career of anyone. You are right, dear. Actually, the importance of learning this language cannot be described in words. We must study and practice English seriously. Yes, I guess the alternative of English is only English. Thank you. Your conception is realistic. You're most welcome. Goodbye.